Kinda late for a charity drop-off, isn't it, boys?
Seeing a living legend in action. It's almost too awful to watch. We may have a knockout in record time. I don't think this one's getting up again. And that means we have a winner!
What have you done?
And here I heard you were some kind of brilliant fighter.
You heard right. No one messes with the Justice League.
Worse than that coming. Better call the League in on it. Terrific.
What's going? If you call me girlfriend, I'm gonna drop kick you into the next county.
Now don't go all sentimental on me.
What? Let me give you the short version. Let me try. Cover your ears.
center's gotta be up there. Hang on.
I should have taken you down last time. My mistake.
Do I kill the signal, or you?
2 falls out of 3?
You're on.
Such a pretty voice, but I have one too.
The Fiend.
Keeping evil far away. Love me, if only he could love me.
Canary. You still persist, but don't resist.
Let's not fight, let's get along for our hypnotic properties.
No!
Fine. Okay, boys. I'm going to entertain the troops. You two are useless.
Oh yeah? Well, you are useless.
Nice comeback there, Chief.
My turn. I consider it an honor to be your teacher. I'll throw a lot at you. Everything I've learned from my own mentors. And my own bruises.
What happened?
The job. Now, combat is about controlling conflict, putting the battle on your terms. You should always be acting, never reacting. I'll need a sparring partner. You're angry. Good, but don't react. Channel that anger into... What are you doing to Red?
You'll be sorry.
Oh, really? Best shape of your life. That was me holding back. Way back. Don't you laugh! She and he and... Oliver, this is not funny!
No. No, of course not.
Savage! Wanna hear a secret?
Once I've dispatched you and the little bitch.
Watch your mouth!
What would you do without me? Easy, big fella. We're taking you in. You are late.
Sorry, I was perfecting some new arrows.
See ya. Taking you for a ride.
Sit down.
A bit of a firebrand with sonic sound abilities that have gotten her shunned by her community.
Wonder Woman, what's the plan? I'll get him to talk. How about a real fight? Keep it up, gents! Yeah, that was me. You call that a scream?
Hey, how about we go for coffee?
Don't pat yourself on the back too hard, Robin Hood. I don't think it's quite over yet.
So Batman really wants me in?
As long as I sign off that you're ready.
First, a few words from the brave and the bold.
I'm the brave one, right?
I'm not bold enough to disagree.